Vinyl lovers, get ready! Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey into the world of records, 2025 has some incredible turntables that deliver amazing sound and style. From budget-friendly picks to high-end audiophile choices, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for more details. Number 5. Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT is a game-changer in the world of turntables, seamlessly blending classic design with modern technology. Imagine transforming your living room into a cozy vinyl haven, where every note resonates with warmth and clarity. This automatic belt-drive turntable not only plays your favorite records, but does so with a level of precision that audiophiles dream of. What sets the AT-LP60XBT apart is its Bluetooth capability, allowing you to connect wirelessly to your speakers or headphones. This means you can enjoy the rich, immersive sound of vinyl without the hassle of tangled cords. Picture yourself lounging on the couch, flipping through your record collection, and effortlessly streaming your music to any Bluetooth-enabled device. The sleek, minimalist design of the AT-LP60XBT is a nod to retro aesthetics, making it a stunning centerpiece in any room. With its easy-to-use controls and built-in phono preamp, you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Simply plug it in, set your needle down, and let the magic of analog sound wash over you. Plus, the AT-LP60XBT is not just about looks, it's built to last. Crafted with high-quality materials and engineered for durability, this turntable is ready to withstand the test of time and countless spins of your favorite albums. Number 4. Angel's Horn H019. A remarkable piece of audio engineering that's designed to elevate your listening experience to new heights. Imagine a sleek, modern design that seamlessly blends into your home decor while delivering sound that feels alive, resonating with clarity and depth. The Angel's Horn H019 is not just a speaker, it's an auditory companion that transforms every song into a concert, every movie into an experience, and every podcast into a captivating story. With its advanced acoustic technology, this device ensures that you hear every note, every whisper, and every beat as if you were right there in the studio with the artists. From its powerful bass that makes your heart race to the crisp highs that dance in the air, the H019 captures the essence of sound in a way that is both immersive and enchanting. And let's not forget about its user-friendly features. Intuitive controls allow you to effortlessly switch between your favorite playlists, podcasts, and more, ensuring that your audio journey is as smooth as it is exhilarating. Whether you're hosting a gathering, enjoying a quiet evening alone, or diving into an intense gaming session, the Angel's Horn H019 is the perfect partner. Get ready to experience sound like never before. This is more than just a speaker. It's an invitation to rediscover your favorite audio moments in stunning clarity and richness. Number 3. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB. If you're a vinyl enthusiast, the Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB is a turntable that deserves your undivided attention. This isn't just any ordinary record player, it's a powerful blend of vintage charm and modern technology, designed to elevate your listening experience to new heights. With its robust build and sleek design, the AT-LP120XUSB exudes a sense of quality and craftsmanship that will catch the eye of any music lover. One of the standout features of this turntable is its direct drive motor, which provides exceptional torque and stability, ensuring that your records spin at the perfect speed. No more worrying about pitch fluctuations or unexpected slowdowns. With the AT-LP120XUSB, you can enjoy your favorite albums exactly as the artists intended. Plus, it offers adjustable pitch control, allowing you to fine-tune the playback speed to suit your preferences or even get creative with your mixes. But that's not all. This turntable comes equipped with a USB output, making it easy to digitize your vinyl collection. You can effortlessly convert your records into high-quality digital files and preserve your favorite tracks for years to come. Whether you're an audiophile looking to archive your collection or a casual listener wanting to enjoy your vinyl on the go, the AT-LP120XUSB has you covered. Let's not forget about the built-in phono preamp, which ensures that you can connect the turntable to almost any audio system without hassle. Number 2. Fluance RT81 Elite. Introducing the Fluance RT81 Elite, a turntable that doesn't just make music, it creates an experience. Imagine the warm, rich tones of vinyl enveloping your living room, transporting you back to the golden age of music with every note. This isn't just any turntable, it's a beautifully crafted piece of audio art that combines stunning aesthetics with high-end performance. With its solid wood plinth that exudes elegance and sophistication, the RT-81 Elite is designed to be a showstopper in any setting. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, it boasts a premium Audio-Technica AT-95E cartridge, which ensures that every record spins with clarity and detail that will make audiophiles swoon. The RT-81 Elite embraces precision with its adjustable counterweight and anti-skate control, allowing you to fine-tune your listening experience to perfection. But wait, there's more. The built-in phono preamp makes it incredibly versatile, allowing you to connect it to virtually any audio system without any fuss. Whether you're hosting a cocktail party or enjoying a quiet evening at home, the RT-81 Elite promises to elevate your listening experience to new heights. Get ready to rediscover your favorite records in a whole new light. The Fluance RT-81 Elite is not just a turntable. It's your gateway to a world of rich soundscapes and nostalgic tunes. Don't just listen to music, experience it. Number 1. Pro-Ject. Debut Carbon Evo is not just another turntable. It's a statement piece that beckons audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Imagine unearthing the rich, warm tones of your favorite vinyl records, each note resonating with clarity and depth that feels almost alive. This turntable is meticulously crafted with a stunning carbon fiber tone arm that not only looks sleek, but also minimizes resonance for an unparalleled listening experience. One of the standout features of the Evo is its adjustable counterweight and anti-skating mechanism, allowing you to customize it to perfection, ensuring that every groove is traced with precision. The heavy MDF plinth provides a solid foundation, reducing vibrations and delivering that pure, unadulterated sound we all crave. Plus, with a beautiful high-gloss finish and a range of color options, it's as much a work of art as it is a piece of audio equipment. But that's not all. The debut Carbon Evo comes equipped with a high-quality Ortophon 2M red cartridge, giving you an immediate upgrade to your vinyl collection. Whether you're spinning classics or discovering new artists, this turntable elevates every listening session into a celebration of music. If you're searching for a turntable that combines style, performance, and a touch of nostalgia, the Pro-Ject debut Carbon Evo is your perfect match. Prepare to fall in love with your vinyl all over again.